Hey everyone, so we're going to bring some of your previous work with Career Academy into focus and before we transition. And I think this is important because as you begin searching for jobs, it's really important to have a clear understanding of your goals. And so the BSQ is a very kind of organized way of looking at your goals and breaking them down into really manageable steps. So the B stands for think big, the S stands for act small, and the Q stands for move quick. So think big is going to be your kind of overall vision, one of your goals that you're working towards. Acting small is breaking that goal down into smaller milestones, and then moving quick is setting the deadline or the timeline for that. So let's take a quick look at what this could potentially look like. For example, think big. You have a goal that says, I will get an entry-level data analysis role with a local nonprofit organization by networking during the summer and applying to at least one new position each week. Great, good goal. And our act small could be step 1, we're going to create email notifications on 5 different job boards. Start learning about some of those jobs. We could set up an application tracker, some kind of spreadsheet or app to keep track of the positions. We're going to push ourselves to apply to 15 positions, and we're going to conduct weekly informational interviews in order to kind of stay networking, be aware of the positions we have. So our next steps, so we have our big goal, we have our smaller steps to reach that goal, and our move quick is just setting the deadlines. So create email notifications on 5 different job boards. We can set that up by June 1st. Set up an application tracker, we'll do that the next day, June 2nd. Now apply to 15 positions. We'll give ourselves a little bit of time to work on this. So let's say by the end of July, by July 31st. And our last one is conducting the weekly informational interviews, and that will be from June 1st to September 1st. We're going to try to do that every week. So there you have our BSQ, and now I'm going to show you an example of how I want you to create this and send it to me. So you are going to work in PowerPoint or Keynote or Google Slides, and you're going to work on a goal for this summer. And so on your slide, you will include your picture, your name, and your think big, act small, move quick, something that you want to get done this summer. For example, here's my think big. I want to be able to know the medicinal properties and usage of 15 different plants by the end of July. I'll do this by signing up for a botany course. I'll use an app to observe plants on walks. I'll create a monograph for each plant, and I'll do a Quizlet flashcard set. And I'll move quick, so I'll sign up for that course by May 15th. I'm going to take walks every day. Every 3 days, I'll create a monograph to finish 15 by mid-July, and I'll practice daily on my flashcards so I can test myself by July 31st. Now, you can design this any way that you want. You can also include something like your strengths or your values or your mission statement. You can use any colors, fonts, design, style. That part, I don't care. I just want to make sure to see your think big, act small, move quick with your picture and your name. Okay, when you are finished with your slide, you will export or download that slide as a JPEG or perhaps an image, depending on which program you use. So file, export, or download. Then you'll submit the file in the Airtable submission box as usual. And I will see you in the next video.